Pulling cards up the chart, Joker's in control. One green candle, then it falls in a hole. Signals all flashing like a carnival ride. Just when you're going long, boom, downslide. MACD's laughing, RSI's lost. Stared at my screen till my brain got tossed. Thought I saw a pattern, nope, just a trick. Now I'm stuck in a trade and it's flipping real quick. It's wild card Wednesday. Spin the wheel, might fly or fade. It's clouds out trades, up, down, sideways, no one's safe. It's mad, no rules tonight. Charts play games in the pale moonlight. It's wild card Wednesday. Welcome to the ride, hold tight. Charts doing flips like a circus act. Juggle my stops, then it launched and smacked. News hit the tape like a pot to the face. Now I'm guessing again in this market race. Got hearts in my hand, but it dealt me a spade. Bluffed by the candle, now I'm feeling played. No trend, no peace, just chaos delight. Wild card vibes every Wednesday night. It's wild card Wednesday. Spin the wheel, might fly or fade. It's clouds out trades, up, down, sideways, no one's safe. It's mad, no rules tonight. Charts play games in the pale moonlight. It's wild card Wednesday. Welcome to the ride, hold tight. So if you want logic, sorry not today. Wild card Wednesday's here to play. This is markets after dark where the charts laugh back. On the chart like a beast in the zone. Praying to the wicks and the candles tone. Sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO. Portfolio flex like it's holy promo. Sacrifice fiat, sun in the pump. Altars of alpha, wallets get plump. Lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed. And I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains. Light up the sky, burn off our chains. Bring us the gains. Eyes wide shut, undivine with the play. Spirit in sync with the market's phase. Confluence hit, I go full send. Lambo dreams that never end. Fibonacci carved in stone. Sacred trend lines, bullish tone. Chart prime whispers in my ear. Take the trade, release the fear. Burn the doubt, cleanse the wick. Let the din be real quick. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains. Gains at the bulls break all our chains. To the moon with crypto flames. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains. On the chart like a priest in the zone. Pray to the wicks and the candles tone. Sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO. Portfolio flex like it's holy promo. Sacrifice fiat, sun in the pump. Altars of alpha, whales get plump. Lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed. Now I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains. Gains that the bulls break all our chains. To the moon with crypto flames. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains. Welcome to the night where we light up the spark. We're trading crypto, finance, you'll be mad on the charts. Hosted by the one, Lunar Beaches Talk Shop. Dive deep into the numbers cause this ain't no luck. We're crunching all the data, making money moves fast. From Wall Street to the blockchain, making predictions last. Community together in this financial blast. Markets after dark, let's shatter ceilings made of glass. Mad on the charts with Lunar's bright lights. Crypto markets soaring through the night. Follow the trends, see future in sight. initial flights. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, we're mapping the road. Stock tips and insights, secrets ready to unload. Trading strategies, sharp on knowledge be showed. Let Lunar Beaches guide you to the mother lode. Economic loops and the way the dollar flows. Community vibes where everybody...
Dump it all to zero. No, 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 no. 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 Don't you bring that kind of negativity in here, Ricky Bobby. Don't you do that. What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Welcome to Markets After Dark, where we go mad on the charts at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on the Piper Academy Network. I am Lunar Beaches Crypto, and this is Wildcard Wednesday, where we just kind of scan the markets, scan the news, play some music, listen to some tunes. You never know what you might run into. Never know anything. Dump it to $1. It's not going to happen, RMT. I'm sorry. I mean, unless you're talking about a different asset not named Bitcoin, it's not going to happen, dog. Who am I talking to? Well, that would be the Madhouse that I didn't load pre-stream, of course. Anyways, there's the Madhouse. What's going on, everybody? How you doing this evening? Got to change this to the live chat. All right, what we got going on here? All right, who we got? We got Indie Rock Crypto. What's going on? Alumni, how you doing? IRC, hope you've had a wonderful day. Alexandra G, same to you. Mod Queen, Mod Boss, thank you for being here and pinning the Discord link in the chat right there. Thank you, as always. I do appreciate everything that you do for us, as always. Hope you're staying safe over there in California. BC Port Corp, what's going on? Hope everyone had a great day. Same to you, brother. Retro Mike Tech, telling everybody just dump it to zero. It's not gonna happen. Wick 589, what's going on? RMT, AG, BC, all the letters of the alphabet. Well, it is that month. All set, what's going on? All set, how you doing? Mad love to you, all set. Thank you for being here. Flash Smack, what's going on? NASA gang. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing well. Got the headphones on. It's kind of weird, but I wanted to be able to listen to some music. So press 1 in the chat if you heard the Wildcard Wednesday song at the beginning. If you came in late, press 2. If you want to hear it again or for the first time, press 3. You have 30 minutes. 30 seconds. ETH fees are so low compared to last cycle, only 7 cents right now. Well, it wasn't that their goal? Who knew that all it would take was a brutal bear market to get Ethereum fees down. Got a couple threes in the chat. Let's go ahead and throw it on. It's only a minute 48, so let's do it. I thought both songs were the same songs we've been hearing for weeks. You came in late, I guess. I guess you came in late, RMT. Wildcard Wednesday actually created six of them. I think this one and another and maybe one other one came out how I kind of liked it, but 4. What does 4? What does 4 mean? Don't play anything at all? Okay. Yeah, BC Port Corp, you better get to bed. It is too late for you, my friend. You got to get up super early. Don't you have a guest on tomorrow? BC? Bitcoin sitting at 109,800 right now. BC, adios, amigo. We are still running a spot premium on Bitcoin, which is excellent. A Gaston tomorrow. A Gadsden flag? Wait. No, wait, those are two different. That's not even the same spelling. Let's hear it.
Back from Vegas, charts on blast, conference global moving fast.
Back from Vegas.
Light up to the moonlit. It's wild card Wednesday. And nothing being set. Pulling cards up the chart, Joker's in control. One green candle, then it falls in a hole. Signals all flashing like a carnival ride. Just when you go long, boom, downslide. MACD's laughing, RSI's lost. Stared at my screen till my brain got tossed. Thought I saw a pattern, nope, just a trick. Now I'm stuck in a trade and it's flipping real quick. It's wild card Wednesday. Spin the wheel, might fly or fade. It's clouds out trades, up, down, sideways, no one's safe. It's mad, no rules tonight. Charts play games in the pale moonlight. It's wild card Wednesday. Welcome to the ride. Hold tight. Charts doing flips like a circus act. Juggle my stops, then it launched and smacked. News hit the tape like a pie to the face. Now I'm guessing again in this market race. Got hearts in my hand, but it dealt me a spade. Bluffed by the candle, now I'm feeling play. No trend, no peace, just chaos delight. Wild card vibes every Wednesday night. It's wild card Wednesday. Spin the wheel, might fly or fade. It's clouds out trades, up, down, sideways, no one's safe. It's mad, no rules tonight. Charts play games in the pale moonlight. It's wild card Wednesday. Welcome to the ride. Hold tight. So if you want logic, sorry not today. Wild card Wednesday's here to play. This is markets at the dark where the charts laugh back.
That's it. That's all of that one. Not doing that one. So, yes or no? Do you want to hear the other one that I like? Put a 1 in chat if you want to hear the other one that I like.
Breaking news.
I think that's the one. Watch a full moon coming up, chasing cows and pronghorns. Never cease to amaze me. The madhouse never ceases to amaze. 117K measured move. Not even close to that 130K. Not even close. Let's go ahead. Everybody loves the music. Wildcard Wednesdays. We should just do music. Just music and then like me charting, and that's it. That's all we should. What do you think? Do you think we should do that? Just music and me charting. Let's hear it.
Live from the madhouse. I hit the charts like a wrecking clown. Had a setup, then it all broke down. Looked like a bull, smelled like a trap. Now I'm sitting here stuck in a sideways nap. Max spazzing, fib line's gone. I drew a wedge, now my trend is a yawn. Poker face on while my trade gets dumped. Wild card vibes got my logic sunk. Hey, wild card Wednesday. No edge, no rules, just vibes and mayhem. The madhouse energy. By the top, my win might scream. That's a tipsy price and a spin. You unicycle, then my stop loss hit like a high-speed tricycle. Got jokers in the deck, spades on the tape, bulls wearing wigs, bears rocking capes, Tom Steed clown car rolled on through, and I still tried along. What's wrong with you? Wild Card Wednesday, straps are gone, it's a gamble parade. Madhouse energy, where the 8-ball trades and the candles misbehave. Flip that coin, pick that side, even bots don't wanna ride. Yeah, Wild Card Wednesday, it's mad, it's loud, it's one wild ride. Thanks for playing, or trading, or whatever that was. Wild Card Wednesday don't promise clarity, it promises carnage, comedy, and maybe coins. This is Markets After Dark, and you're in the madhouse now. Hey, Wild Card Wednesday! Breaking news, the charts just bit a candle. Day called in sick, RSC's in therapy, and Bitcoin is shadow boxing the moon. Welcome to Wild Card Wednesday, live from the madhouse, not from the madhouse. Poker face on my trade is a yawn. Poker face song while my trade gets dunked. Wild card vibes got my logic sunk. Hey, Wild Card Wednesday, no edge, no rules, just vibes and mayhem. A madhouse energy, by the top might win, might scream. At the tipsy price in a spin, you blink once, miss the win. Hey, Wild Card Wednesday, madhouse trades where the chaos begins. Break out, fake out, double top flop. I went all in, now I'm mopping the slop. I saw a candle ride a unicycle, then my stop loss hit like a high-speed tricycle. Got jokers in the deck, spades on the tape.
What'd you
Wearing
say?
wigs, bears rocking capes, Frosty clown car rolled on through, and I still tried along. What's wrong with you? Break out, fake out, double top flop. I went all in, now I'm mopping the slop. I saw a candle ride a unicycle, then my stop loss hit like a high-speed tricycle. Got jokers in the deck, spades on the tape, bulls wearing wigs, bears rocking capes, Frosty clown car rolled on through, and I still tried along. What's wrong with you?
That was weird. It's the lyric was deck, but the AI didn't sound like it. That's what it said. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm going to, because if you guys don't know, I do music. I've done music my entire life. When I say I do music, I write it, sing it, rap it. I do music, I produce it, all the good jazz. This is Fruity Loops. This is where you make the beats. Okay. So not registering. The sound's not registering, so I might have to go to my audio settings. Is this gonna work? There it goes. Now you can hear. But yeah, so what I do is I just take the AI songs and I throw them in here, and then I do a whole bunch of stuff. I know this isn't crypto or trading related at all. If you guys want me to get to that, I can. Or if you want to see how a beat is made real quick, I can do it pretty quick. Maybe. These are all hi-hats. Some of these are terrible. But you got to play with them. What's going on, Jesse? What's going on, Harp? What's going on, Melissa One Love in the house? How are you all doing? R.S. Miller, what's going on? Hope you are all doing well and having a fantastic evening. We're kind of just chilling like villains. People come here for charts and this is what they get. but it's Wild Card Wednesday, so that's what everyone should come to expect by now. Right? Boom. Oh, oh, oh. Come on now. We've got to do trips. Okay. And then what you do is you go edit pattern. No, make unique. Pattern 2. Double click that. And we add like a triplet at the end or something. See how we did that? Simple. It's super simple. And then you gotta add in some beats. So bass drum. Let's see, kicks. Let's get some clubby kicks. Truly, I got something on here with some 808s. Anywho, we can just add this and we can go ooh, 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 ooh. So, this is boring me. This is even boring me because I gotta do this. Like, y'all ever see the guys on the internet that do this stuff so fast? Wait, what happened to my... And then... Anyways, get off of this. We can do that some other time. How you going? I kind of like this music while charting. Yeah, me too. Let's see. Total market. How we looking?
Pull a card, flip the chart, Joker's in control. One green candle, then it falls in a hole. Signals all flashing like a carnival ride. Just when you go long, boom, down slide. Matt D's laughing, RSI's lost. Stared at my screen till my brain got tossed. Thought I saw a pattern, nope, just a trick. Now I'm stuck in a trade and it's flipping real quick. It's Wild Card Wednesday, spin the wheel, might fly or fade. It's cloud down trades, up, down, sideways, no one's safe. It's mad, no rules tonight. Charts play games in the pale moonlight. It's Wild Card Wednesday. Welcome to the ride, hold tight. Charts doing flips like a circus act. Juggled my stops, then it launched and smacked. News hit the tape like a pot in the face. Now I'm guessing again in this market race. Got hearts in my hand, but it dealt me a spade. Bluffed by the candle, now I'm feeling played. No trend, no peace, just chaos delight. Wild card vibes every Wednesday night. It's Wild Card Wednesday. Spin the wheel, might fly or fade. It's cloud down trades, up, down, sideways, no one's safe. It's mad, no rules tonight. Charts play games in the pale moonlight. It's Wild Card Wednesday. Welcome to the ride, hold tight.
So if you want logic, sorry not today. Wild Card Wednesday's here to play. This is Markets After Dark, where the charts laugh back. stay on mark. You're the
That was weird. Can we just try Lou? Wait, what? Guys, this total crypto market cap has me feeling so bullish right now. This is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a 5-wave structure here. This is kind of a weird 4th wave, but it's a leading diagonal. That's what makes it weird. It's kind of like a running flat. And that is, yeah, that's pretty bullish. That would be your 4th wave, and then your 5th wave. I mean, we all know that it's been a weird cycle for the altcoin market. But all in all, it's been consolidating, moving. Well, this is the whole crypto market. Been consolidating, moving to the upside, and this is kind of just like now if it's like a running flat, then it's looking like this. You get your push to the upside, your push to the downside, and you come up and you extend past that wave, and then you come back down into the range, but then you break out, and then you go and you run. Total crypto market looking bullish AF. Same with the altcoin market, with including Ethereum. Go to the daily. So we've closed a couple of daily candles outside of this breakout, so that is beautiful above the downward resistance. Now that means we can still get a pullback, so be aware, okay? But look for some kind of news, okay? Some kind of bad news. If we do get a massive pullback of some kind, and there's some bad news that marks it, or that goes with it, a bad narrative, something that spooks the market, that's almost all. I will just say it's very likely to be a buy the dip moment. Yes, that is total 2. Here is total 3. This is everything. This is all the altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now you can remove, if you did not know, you can remove stable coins from this. So I can just remove USDT .d and wait, dominance? No, just the market cap, right? Yeah. Minus USDC. 2 biggest ones. Don't really have to add anything else. The chart doesn't really change much. That's why I don't really care to use that. This one looks a lot like the Bitcoin chart, except this one has come down a little bit lower than this high, but it's fine. It's broken back above it, and I like to cut out outliers like that, especially when you have multiple touches on a single point. I don't really care about outliers, little wicks outside of the range. All I care is about the touches, all the touches, the highs and the lows. Extension, $1 trillion market cap coming up for the altcoin market, excluding Ethereum. We can see downward resistance, break, downward resistance, break, downward resistance. Time to go. Time to go, folks. Not crazy about ETH, but it will pump. I'm the same way. Now, DeFi is actually looking pretty darn good right here. I mean, these are all in bull flag breakout mode. They just are, man. The whole market is bullish right now, in my opinion. It doesn't mean we can't get a sudden pullback before we extend higher, but the general high time, my general high time frame thesis is we're bullish AF, in fact. So definitely want to see that. Now our Russell 2000 is continuing to march to the upside, and we want to see that to continue. Getting a little bit rocky up here, but still overall looking pretty good. Our S&P 500 is looking good as well, trying to get the breakouts, coiling up in here, see if we can get a breakout. If not, you'll get a breakdown that is usually, if you get a triangle and you break down, you want to take the widest part of that triangle, so that would be from this high to this low. Okay, and now I'm just going to move this over here like this, go with the same low. That way I can have a straight line. You can see it just comes back down. I mean, you're still inside the range. Potentially even getting a running flat in here where it doesn't quite hit the measured move and then continues higher. Or it does an expanded flat and then it goes, where it does come down and sweeps this low. And we do have a gap down here that would be perfect for it to come down to. The S&P 500, that is. Now, if we get a move like this, excellent. Okay. Now, what could happen? Well, we could get a couple of different scenarios. So, we know that the U.S.-China trade talks in London occurred today. They concluded. Still no news on that just yet. We were told that we were going to get some news. At least I haven't seen anything. We have that, and then we have CPI data coming out tomorrow. So, as your core inflation, I believe. So, that is what the Fed looks at. If that comes in lower than forecast, which forecast is 2.9%, markets could see that as very bullish. Now, as far as events wise, but if we come in equal or above, markets could see that as bearish. So, two different scenarios. Okay. And how I think the market will play out. First scenario, now it could be totally wrong on this. This is pure speculation, by the way. Do your own research. This is not financial advice. But scenario 1. China plus US equals good deal. Okay. Markets pump. Bull. Big bull. Okay. 2. This is more like 1A. And then we have a B. And that B is CPI comes in above forecast. Okay, so we have CPI above forecast equals bear. So the bear will be a little b. The bear will be a little b. 2A. China plus US equals no deal. Deal or no deal. Bearish. B. CPI comes in under forecast equals bullish. Both scenarios are kind of meh, right? We're kind of another meeting Thursday for US-China talk. Well, there you go. So forget all that. Either way. So what I think is one is going to cause this. This is the basics. This is my basic. Tomorrow they vote on bill. Is that the genius bill? So there's a lot going on that could shake up markets for the rest of this week. So just be aware of that. That's kind of the whole point. Is be aware of that. Something that is bearish could bring price down, but for me, that's probably going to be a buy the dip opportunity. If some crazy news comes out that is super bullish and price goes up, that's probably going to be a short opportunity. Why? Because the market is working out a range. We are sitting at the top of that range on Bitcoin, right? So, and we are sitting at resistance. Now, I like consolidation at the highs like we are doing. That tends to lead to bullish breakouts. But just be aware that if we do get the bullish breakout, consider taking profit, because some kind of China trade deal news could bring it down. What time is... All this comes out at 8:30. So let me mark that off. Right here. So this is your CPI data news, which could be super bullish, right? And then something could happen that makes the markets super bearish or seem super bearish. But just a break of the highs here would be super bullish in my opinion. But we might not be there yet. What we could instead see is what I have been putting out there as an idea, as a possibility, because it is that we wrap up in a B wave and we start putting in a C wave, which you can't see because it is black. There we go. A, B, and C. Now, if we break out higher, I mean, we've got to get up to like 115 before I feel like, all right, this is really getting ramped up. Otherwise, if we break out, we break the high and then we come back into the range, there's a good possibility that we come back down to at least this demand zone again. Okay, sweep these lows, put in kind of a running flat, which is you put in a high, okay, and when you come back down into the range, price gets front run before you come down to the bottom and before you can even sweep the lows, and it continues higher. So just keep that on your radar. It's very, very possible that this could just be a B wave, because right now all we've done is in ABC. Now the good thing is that this is a leading diagonal, which is typically more bullish than bearish, but that doesn't mean we can't come down and sweep those lows, because they're built up lows, and those tend to like to get taken. So just be cautious. Expect the volatility. It will be nice for scalpers, I think. Throughout the rest of the week, I think it'll be a scalper's paradise for the rest of the week. So be prepared. Don't be scared. Be prepared. Now, money flow is still pretty thick on the Prime Oscillator Pro Plus. Don't forget to check out Chart Prime. Shout out to Chart Prime. Sponsor of the channel. Thank you for all that you do for us, Chart Prime. But also, great indicators. Get 45% off your first month. Link in the description down below. So, we do want to see, we need to get up above 112, really. That's going to be the one. We need to get above 112, and we need to start building some support there. Now, speaking of building support, it seems like that is what we have been doing. Where's that 100? Where's that 100K mark? Right there. Okay. This is to the title of the stream, and it looks like we are building a base on top of that 100K, and that could be what gets us going. So that 100K is a psychological level, right? So if we can build a base up here, which we are doing, we are consolidating at the highs, and even if that means we get another pullback, which I would almost prefer, because then I can go long from a lower price. But that's what that's what I'm thinking, man. That's what I'm thinking. Do you think Bitcoin's going to go up again? But it might take until the end of June going into July, which I said, I think before Vegas, that I was, or sometime last week, that I was thinking, you know, July might be the month where everything just kind of goes off. 250-year anniversary of the great United States empire of the world. Sorry, foreigners. I hope you don't mind me in my American imperialistic attitude. But we're better than you. So, kind of got to deal with that. All right. I don't know what we're better than you at, other than owning more guns and having a stronger military and having all the money in the world. And having football. And baseball. That's about it. I don't want to hear about your education and your health care. Who cares? You don't get to make those decisions. Anyways. Yeah, man. Slow news day. So, not really much going on. How about an Otter Gang Mafia song? I tried to create one, but I don't think I liked any of them, but we can try. Let's listen.
You come to the charts, looking for alpha. There's rules in this ocean, capiche? This ain't no mean crew. This is Otter Gang family. Let me tell you who's who. I'll tell you who's who. Tony Soprano with the band, hammer swinging, clean up the discord. No cap, no gimmick. Sniper's nightmare, cold truth, no cuddles. Break your whole setup, bury it in puddles. Not Jonathan Schiffer, master of the cold built bots like soldiers. In stealth mode, blueberry rolling, black belt grip. Arm bar your bags, never let them slip. All the game rolling deep, stats never sleep. On the Discord to the street, LBC's up the heat. Alex on the crypto dome, color plays never wrong. Straight swinging with the axe, no cap, we're taking all the racks. All the gang, train shots like it's a gang. All the gang, no remorse, we hunt and rain. All the gang, fake the retail front run vain. All the gang, Piper born, now we insane. Whales don't swim here, they sink. Call me LBC, waves don't blink. Ride the current, scalp the rip. My crew don't fold, we clip the tip. Blueberry kill my hands like stone. One wrong movie, tap you gone. Schaefer's code, that's all in steel. On nightmares, train like a Navy SEAL. League must crave, Viking mind, the axe don't miss not one damn time. Alex the dog with the final call. Boss of the chain, respect the protocol. Our gang rolling deep. Stacks never sleep. From the Discord to the street. LBC serve the heat. Alex on the crypto dog. Call the plays never wrong. It's great swinging with the axe. No cap, we taking all the racks. Out of gang. Run this game, we set the tone. Out of gang. Blood and ink, we truck the throne.
Not bad. We go, Matt.
It's markets after dark. Where we go mad on the charts. Powered by Piper Academy. LBC in the building. Let's run it. Bitcoin dropping, we don't sleep. Trading heat deep in the streets. Cash flow dreams, I'm wide awake. Out of gang, OGs never fake. Lunar ties, we ride the wave. Mad charts, we misbehave. Piper grad, I paved the path. LBC, do the math. We go mad. Every candle, every flash. We go mad. Stacking stats, building cash. We go mad. Alumni gang, feel the wrath. We go mad. From the charts to the blockchain path. Flow watching, snipe the lock. Chop it up like a market shock. Smart trades, no TikTok cap. I'll follow trends, I map. Proper mental, risk is tight. 1 to 3 is hitting every night. No FOMO, just alpha moves. LBC, I never lose. Midnight oil, I'm built to win. Out of gang splashing, dive right in. From the Piper grind to the crypto climb. It's a new world and it's all mine. Oh man, we're popping, we don't sleep. Trading heat deep in the streets. Cash flow dreams, I'm wide awake. Out of gang, OGs never fake. Lunar ties, we ride the wave. Mad charts, we misbehave. Piper grad, I'll pave the path. LBC, do the math. We go mad. Every candle, every flash. We go mad. Stacking stats, building cash. We go mad. Alumni gang, feel the wrath. We go mad. From the charts to the blockchain path.
That was alright.
Welcome to the charts. Looking for alpha. There's rules in this ocean, capiche? This ain't no mean crew. This is our game. Family. Let me tell you who's who. Tony Soprano with the band, hammer swinging. Clean up the Discord, no cap, no gimmick. Sniper's nightmare, cold truth, no cuddles. Break your whole setup, bury it in puddles. Not Jonathan Schaffer, master of the code. Builds bots like soldiers in stealth mode. Blueberry rolling, black belt grip. On bar your bags, never let them slip. The game on a deep, stats, never sleep. No, from the Discord to the street. Facts. LBC, serve the heat. Alex, the crypto dawn. Call the plays, never wrong. Musgrave swinging with the axe. No cap, we taking all the racks. Out of gang, trading charts like it's the game. Out of gang, no remorse, we hunt in rain. Out of gang, taking retail front run.
Alright, so for this next track, I wrote this song, and it's probably, this song might actually get me, might be, what's the word, demonetized. Might make this demonetized. We'll see if YouTube will pick it up. But this is my rap, and it is about all the fake people on Instagram. Yeah, this is me.
You've been living a lie, why am I not surprised? Everybody wears a mask, keeping their true self disguised. Gotta stay with the times, forgetting to live in the moment. You realize it's too late, now it's impossible to own it. A moment is a terrible thing to waste. The real world ain't Photoshop, you can't cut, copy, and paste your face. All you do is try and hide it. Every time I speak this unpopular truth, everybody goes quiet.
This is funny, you guys. Enjoy this. This is the only time you'll hear this on the Piper Academy.
I don't know what to do with all this fame, yo, cause I ain't got none, so I'm making my own. Whoa, what's that you say about me? That is cool, bro. Let me hear you say it when I'm making hella G's, ho. Don't know how you roll, but I live that lifestyle. On the fly, buck wild, like to float, cannon eye on edge, fuck off. Damn, I got a hot temper, but I make sure to give you nights to remember. Oh shit, thought I was playing them games. Let me tell you something about me. I free people from the chains of life, and it's easy to manipulate the mind. My bad, just kidding, I really wasn't lying. Oh fuck, my cover's been blown. Been sipping this whiskey all night long. To told the truth by mistake. Why does everybody around me gotta be fake? Gotta be fake. Why does everybody around me? Why does everybody around me gotta be fake? Why is everybody around me? Why is everybody around me running away? Why does everybody around me? Why does everybody around me gotta be fake? Why is everybody around me? Why is everybody around me running away? Why does everybody around me? Why does everybody around me gotta be fake? Why is everybody around me? Why is everybody around me running away? I do it for the likes, yeah, do it for the share. Show my ass to the world while I battle grizzly bears. Got the hottest page on earth, can't you bitches see? Man, I really love it when all of your eyes are on me. Attention seeking, the gift repeating. Double down on the double standard, cannot touch me. But I bet I can fill you up, like it or not. Nobody better call me, and it's the whole thought. Cause I'm not, I'm just hot, and showing off all I got. We'll do this until the comment section make me feel I wanna rot, which happens a lot. You make me feel like trash. All I ever did was posting and send pictures of my fat ass. Yes, that is me. Stop asking if I'm fake. Telling the truth was the most damaging of mistakes. Cutting the heads off all of you snakes. Why is everybody around me running away? Running away? Why does everybody around me? Why does everybody around me gotta be fake? Why is everybody around me? Why is everybody around me running away? Why does everybody around me? Why does everybody around me gotta be fake? Why is everybody around me? Why is everybody around me running away? Why does everybody around me? Why does everybody around me gotta be fake? Why is everybody around me? Why is everybody around me running away?
So I wrote that song, you could tell because I mentioned whiskey in it. It was some years ago. I want to say 7. Sounds about right. Actually, yeah, it was about 7, 8 years ago. Wow. I even sounded younger then, which is weird. Because I was still a 30-year-old man. So yeah, that was my song about Insta-hoes. Must be a slow Bitcoin night. Mr. TA apparently. Well, you know, I don't know if you watched price action today, but it was like watching paint dry. Not a lot happened. We did go over the possible scenarios for what to look out for. And it is Wild Card Wednesday. And it's just something that we do around here, okay? It's wild. I don't know what to tell you, man.
of cards of the chart, Joker's in control. One green candle, then it falls in a hole. Signals all flashing like a carnival ride. Just when you go long, boom, down slide. MACD's laughing, RSI's lost. Stared at my screen till my brain got tossed. Thought I saw a pattern, nope, just a trick. Now I'm stuck in a trade and it's flipping real quick. It's Wild Card Wednesday. Spin the wheel, might fly or stay. It's clown town trades, up, down, sideways, no one's safe. It's mad, no rules tonight. Charts play games in the pale moonlight. It's Wild Card Wednesday. Welcome to the ride, hold tight. Charts doing flips like a circus act. Juggle my stops, then it launched and smacked. News hit the tape like a pie to the face. Now I'm guessing again in this market race. Got hearts in my hand, but it dealt me a spade. Bluffed by the candle, now I'm feeling played. No trend, no peace, just chaos.
Hold on.
and light.
This
Wild
part.
card vibes, every news hit the tape like a pie to the face. Now I'm guessing again in this market race.
That part right there should have been like guessing again and messing again. Like it should have just kind of da 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 da. I think that would have hit a little harder. Come on, AI, do better. Do better. I think you guys
Like a pie to the face. Now I'm guessing again in this market race. Got hearts in my hand.
Missed
but it
opportunity.
don't respect. Now I'm guessing again in this. Now I'm guessing again in this market race. Got hearts in my hand, but it dealt me a spade. Bluffed by the candle, now I'm feeling played. No trend, no peace, just chaos delight. Wild card vibes every Wednesday night. It's Wild Card Wednesday. Spin the wheel, might fly or stay. It's clown town trades, up, down, sideways, no one's safe. It's mad, no rules tonight. Charts play games in the pale moonlight. It's Wild Card Wednesday. Welcome to the ride, hold tight. So if you want logic, sorry not today. Wild Card Wednesday's here to play. This is Markets After Dark where the charts laugh back.
This is Markets After Dark, where the charts laugh back. Oh, guys, you know what I just thought about? Every single Bitcoin maxi that I have been seeing on my X feed for a good week now, at least. They always tend to get the loudest right before altcoins go up. I see a lot of Bitcoiners saying it's time. You gotta ditch Bitcoin, man. You gotta ditch the altcoins and just go all in on Bitcoin. But I'm just telling you guys, the altcoin market hasn't looked this bullish since back here. This is essentially a tinier version of this. Look. A little too tight. There we go. Yeah, essentially it's just a smaller version of that. Bull flag, breakout. That's what it looks like to me. That's what it looks like to me. Yeah. Great show. Thanks for the music driving home. Home now. Thank you. LOL, that was fun. Shout out to you, RS Miller. Glad you made it home safe and sound. I'm here late to catch up on your stream, LBC. You haven't missed anything other than a bunch of madness. But what do you expect when you come to the madhouse? This is the first one it created.
Step right up to the market madness. It's Wild Card Wednesday, and nothing wins.
Pull a card, flip the chart, Joker's in control. One green candle, then it falls in a hole. Signals all flashing like a carnival ride. Just when you go long, boom, downslide. Mackey's laughing, RSI's lost. Stared at my screen till my brain got tossed. Thought I saw a pattern, nope, just a trick. Now I'm stuck in a trade and it's flipping real quick. It's Wild Card Wednesday. Spin the wheel, might fly and fade. It's cloud town trades, up, down, sideways, no one's safe. mad, no rules tonight. Sharks play games in the pale moonlight. It's Wild Card Wednesday. Welcome to the ride, hold tight. Sharks doing flips like a circus act. Juggle lock stops, then it launched and smacked. News hit the tape like a pie to the face. Now I'm guessing again in this market race. Got hearts in my hand, but it dealt me a spade. Bluffed by the candle, now I'm feeling played. No trend, no beast, just chaos delight. Wild card vibes every Wednesday night. It's Wild Card Wednesday. Spin the wheel, might fly or fade. It's Clown Town trades, up, down, sideways, no one's safe. It's mad, no rules tonight. Sharks play games in the pale moonlight. It's Wild Card Wednesday. Welcome to the ride, hold tight.
So if you want logic, sorry, not today. Wild Card Wednesday's here to play. This is Markets After Dark, where the charts laugh back.
Are y'all trying to say that I should just do TA Tuesday every day? Is that what y'all want from me? I'll do it. I'll do nothing but chart until the cows come home. But I do like to have fun. This indicator right here, brand spanking new free indicator from Chart Prime. It is called, oh, no wonder it's got such crazy numbers. This is the market cap. It is called MACD Support and Resistance. The support and resistance based off of MACD, I suppose. I haven't checked it out whatsoever. So fair warning. This is lovely. Oh, okay. I just want to make sure. Okay. I'm not like an audience captured type of person when it comes to my thoughts on things. But I do want to make sure you guys are having a good time. But also, you know, I want to help you if you need help. If there's anything you need help and you want me to go over that I haven't ever gone over that you want me to clarify, let me know. Market structure, Fibonacci, oscillators, divergences, volume, VWAP, key levels. Speaking of key levels, Spaceman. This is something I did want to go over. Wild Card Wednesday is fun too. Yeah. Oh, I just realized it's after. Dang, it's past my time. It's past my time. So, previous day high above us, and we do have the previous month high and the current year high above us. Of course, that's these were put in recently. Previous month, of course. So your April high and your 2025 current 2025 high are sitting above us at 112. So we definitely want to get there. We want to get there and break that. Right now, let's just go ahead and turn off this MACD indicator. I don't know much about it, but yeah, previous daily high. Look for this potential sweep. I would look for something like that, or big dip before it comes back up, or big dip, bearish back test, continue dip, and then work its way up. Either way, I think we do end up moving back to the upside. Why here? Oh, this demand zone right here. Okay, so pretty much it right there at about 108. We got our range. What we be looking for. 8:30. This is data drop tomorrow. So let's just say CPI stuff is good. CPI stuff is good. All right, it gets us bullish, okay? We come up, we sweep the previous month high and the current year high. Then we come back down. Something happens. What is it? What's the news? Marines in LA or something. Something about tariffs. Who knows? But that could complete a 5-wave structure to the upside. Impulsive 2, with the third wave not being the shortest wave in the whole deal. Yeah. So that would work. But then we would expect an ABC, because we do have this breakout that we can absolutely come down to back test and again sweep those lows. Okay. And again, a broader ABC that ultimately that would be our bottom, I think. So if we do break down, but be careful because we could break the high first. But if we do break down, we'll pull a fib from low to high. And we'll just sweep all these lows, hit that 786, and then that'll be the time to buy. Because then it'll be up only season from then on out. We'll see. But I do appreciate each and every single one of you for being here and hanging out and enjoying a wild and wacky Wild Card Wednesday. I will leave you with this wild card. Opportunities come. And opportunities go. But you always got to be prepared. No matter what. Rarely does anybody get lucky. Luck is more when opportunity or when preparedness meets opportunity. So be prepared. Get prepared. Because this might be the last opportunity that you have in a while to make some gains. I do appreciate each and every single one of you for being here, and I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. Don't forget to come here tomorrow and watch all the shows. Mad love. Hit that like button on your way out. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Outside of that, guys, thank you all, as always. And I will see you all in the next one. Now let's make some gains. Peace out.
On the chart like a priest in the zone, praying to the wicks and the candles tone, sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO, portfolio flex like it's holy promo, sacrifice fiat, selling the pump, altars of alpha, wallets get plump, lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed, and I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh moon gods, bring us the gains. the gains. Eyes wide shut, underlined with the play. Spirit in sync with the market's phase. Confluence hit, I go full send. Lambo dreams that never end. Fibonacci carved in stone. Sacred trend lines, bullish tone. Chart prime whispers in my ear. Take the trade, release the fear. Burn the doubt, cleanse the wick. Let the din be real quick. Oh, moon gods, bring us the gains. Gains, the bulls bring all our chains. To the moon with crypto flames. Oh, moon gods, bring us the.
What did the ocean say to the shore? Nothing. It just waved.
On the chart like a priest in the zone. Pray to the wicks and the candles tone. Sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO. Portfolio flex like it's holy promo. Sacrifice fiat, summon the pump. Ultras with the alpha, whales get plump. Lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed. Now I'm baptized in that bullish bliss. Oh, moon gods,